Alright, come check out where we're staying in Soufriere, Saba Villa. Let's check it out. Alright, so over here we have bedroom number 1. Nice and spacious, nice couch area, lounge area, nice balcony area as well. If you want to go out here, you can open this door. It's a lot. It's a nice open area out here. And just look at the views, okay? Amazing. Nice, check that in. And here's the bathroom attached to the bedroom. So really nice double sinks and an open shower concept over here. Really bringing the nature indoors. And there's another entrance out to the balcony from the bathroom. So that's really nice. Let's see. Now follow me downstairs. See all the rest. So you have a nice kitchen, really big open kitchen space, stove, oven, fridge, microwave, double sinks again. Really nice, lots of windows. And of course we have this nice patio on this floor too. So, nice pool, overlooking all the nice views. The Pitons you can see right over there. Really, really beautiful. And then this is the dining area, living area, and then I'll take you back to bedroom number 2. So here we are, bedroom number 2. Again, gorgeous views all around, windows all around, and pretty spacious closet also. So lots of space for everything. And then over in here is the second bathroom, which again, nice open shower concept and double sinks. So really nice, lots of space for the two of us. And then over here we also have a laundry room. I don't know if there's lights. No lights. But you can see, we can do our laundry here too, so really convenient. Alright, so now it's time to enjoy.